Turtle Dub Entertainment, pussy. T.O.C. you go ahead and bust it out first. Oh, well, damn, fuck you. Go ahead, pussy.
Let me go in, y'all.
Go ahead.
Okay. Set. It started off at 16, making a quick cream. Stood on the block with a cock automatic machine. Gore-Tex Averex with a sagging in jeans. Kept the bam across the street, that's the crack for the fiends. Contemplating, only concern with stacking the cream and packing the scheme was a natural thing. Run up on your clique, harassing your team. 44 rested to the back of your throat. After the dough, giving a fuck, it's either me or you, I choose living it up. What's up, nigga? Giving it pluck, it's like a turkey. Killing any nigga try to murk me. Run up in your lobby if you catch try to jerk me. Running like a network, coke expert. Hey, look.
It will?
I know.
No.
Come on.
Fuck, we outside.
Hey, man, y'all take that shit somewhere else, man. We on wax. We on wax, bro.
I ain't know you.
I for look.
Hey,
We on
look,
what
we
up?
gonna do this jump for welcome right here. Tell niggas how we do it around here, right? Hey, yo, I'm a gangster.
Oh, she ain't got no shoes on. Thigh page.
I'ma tell you around here, nigga. I'm a gangster, a real nigga. I'ma tell you how we live around here, nigga. I'm a gangster, a real nigga. I'ma tell you how we live around here, nigga. I wake up shaking, sweating, disturbed in my sleep. I'm crazy, so fuck what you heard in the streets. I put in work and I ain't talking about a bird or a key. Look me in the eyes, tell me it ain't murder you see. What you heard ain't lies, I don't even hear
D-Lo rap too.
Lord tell me, is there some place up there for a G? I'm a gangster. A better for worse, real nigga. Faith in the flip like I'm living for God's will, nigga. Gorilla, cold hearted and larceny. A cold killer quick to start sparking some shit. Some bright yellow tape will make it real hot for your strip. I come through real smooth, hanging out the top of the whip. And I won't stop until the decock lock on the clip. I'm bloodthirsty and I ain't screaming Sumu. I die moo, I know I'm fucked up cause little kids can die too. Fuck a drive-by, I come through and drive through. Y'all get my order right every time with extra cheese. Your baby mother love me, yeah, maybe it's the ecstasy. Crazy how your girl can't connect the neck to her knees. Peach my name until I come, like I'm Candy, man. Tuck your girl, that pussy bandit don't land it, man. Fuck with me, you end up stranded in a sanded land. I put my bodies in a hole and beans cramping the can. I'm crazy and I know it. The foundation of retard. I bury your grandpa where your grandma be weed in the yard, then bury your seeds. Now your family trees in the yard. Cause I'm a gangster, a real nigga. I'ma tell you how we live around here, nigga. I'm a gangster, a real nigga. I'ma tell you how we live around here, nigga. Hey, look, okay. Hey, look, okay. Okay, this one's gonna be deadly young shooters on the track. AKA Drexel like I hit a magic whip with crack. Sending shots to your medulla, knocking off your snapback. Spin circles around your block and turn around and lap back. Jump out, stand over you, kick the concrete up. I like my girl fly, she never say that won't be enough. Go ahead and try me and die all because of a bluff. My aim's sick, I'm on some old Crocodile Dundee stuff. 100,000 over my head, sorry that won't be enough. But times 10, I fuck around and make you fake your own duff. I'm on tour in space, I'm so high, I'm feeling myself. Rude boy says that's the last of what Jamaica got left. I blow grade A with space guns flying through your town. Mayday, 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 man going down. That little shit on your hip now to get your ship drowned. 1 round from my 4-pound, I'll knock your face off. My pitch crazy. Call me young shooter of baseball, a hustler, baby. Just want you to know. But for the ladies out there, about 10 blunts to that endo. My E-game go back before Pac-Man and Nintendo. Duck hunt taught me how to maneuver the Ruger. Hustle, man, you don't know you gonna learn, cause I'm gonna school ya. Signing off, sincerely yours, a young shooter. Blah!
That's alright.
Duck hunt. What you say?